Hey kids! That's right, hey kids! Welcome back. This is our second music theory lesson, so stay tuned. Welcome back. So, like I said, we are starting today with our second music theory lesson. Wow, already on number 2. Pretty amazing. But let's start with some review. I'm going to draw a shape on the whiteboard, and you're going to tell me what it is. Here we go. All eyes on the screen. Oh, come on. You've been in my class before. You're supposed to say, all eyes on the screen so let's try it. So I'll go, all eyes on the screen. Nice. Good job. That's right. Here's our first shape of the day. I'll give you about 10 seconds to tell me what that is. You don't need 10 seconds, do you? I'll just wait. We did this already, didn't we? We sure did. This is nothing new. What are we doing? Let's work forwards, not backwards. What do you think? So, if you've watched those other videos, then you'll definitely know what this is. Well, if you forgot, or maybe you haven't seen the video, it's a type of clef. I hear people say note a lot when they see this, but it doesn't make sound. It represents sound. So it's a clef. What kind of clef is it? That's right. It's a treble clef. Nice. Good job. Also known as a G clef. That's right. And why? Because this is where G is. You can see where the line bisects this vertical line, that's where G always will be. So just in case you forgot, that's where G is. And now here's a little bit more review from last time, just in case you weren't here. Here is my G clef, my treble clef. How many lines does a staff need? Yes, a staff has 5 lines. You remembered. Good job. Now, I'm not a perfect line maker. Wouldn't it be neat if I was? I'd almost be inhuman. All right, so I have 5 lines on a completed staff. Outstanding. Let's try some review. If I put a note here, what note is that? Yes, it's a G. I'll put it right there and down here. You know it's G because it's the second to lowest line, so I'll write G right underneath it. Okay, now I'm going to go up. If notes start going up, is it alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order? You nailed it. It's alphabetical order. So if I put a note here, I'm obviously going up, and that goes to A. I'll write it right here. Notice it's inside the space. That's right. We have lines and spaces in music staffs. So we'll move forward. Let's try this note. Am I still going up or down? You said up. I know you did. That's right. Which makes this letter B. Bing, boom, bow. Nice job. So it's weird. If I go line, space, line, space, line, space, watch this. So this space will be a C. This line will be a D. This space will be what? That's right. Go away. E, outstanding. And then this last line would be F. Awesome. Here's the fun part. If we stop at G and we start going backwards, what letter comes before G? Yes, you got it. F. Cool. And then last but not least, our lowest line is an E. So we do have an E twice. That's weird. We also have an F twice. Huh. We'll have to talk about this next time. But if I started to go back down, if I went all the way down here with my note, what note will this be now? Yes, correct. That is an F. Good. So, are you ready to play a game? So, we're going to go to the camera. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen. Well, you did forget again. So when I sing ladies and gentlemen, yeah, some of you remember, but you sing it back to me. It's kind of a way of saying, may I have your attention, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. All right, so we went from the white screen to the brown screen. Yeah, brown seems like a nice color. So, we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you a flashcard If you don't know what that is, you're obviously pretty young, because flashcards are what we grew up with. But a flashcard, an example of a flashcard is I'll show you real fast, give you a few seconds. You have to guess what note that is. Now, you can pause the video, you can go back, and you can see where the notes were on the staff, and you can even write it down on paper for reference. But I'm not going to help you do that. You have to do that on your own. I'm only going to show you this, and then you're going to have to guess. So, just for the record, let's see if we can figure this out together. So, I have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I sure do. So, wait a minute. Which line is G on? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? That's right. This is G right here, this line. So that means this note is A. Nice job. All right, next. Give you a few seconds. Here we go. Did you get it? Let's find it together. So, we have G, A, what? B is correct. I knew you could do it. Ha! Next. Ooh. Whoa! What note is that? You're telling me there's no note there? Well, I guess you're right. Guess we're done with this. Hiya! Next. Hopefully this should be easier for you. Give up? I hope not. You've been what? How many videos have we made about this so far? Jeez, y'all need to start paying attention. So here's G. So what note is it? Yes, G is correct. Better get this out of here. All right. So I have 2 more. You want the easy one or the hard one first? Yeah, I know you like things done the easy way. Fine. So be it. What note is that? Let's figure it out together. G is right here. A is right here. We're not going up, are we? We're going down. That's right. So let's go down this time. G, F. Nice. I knew you could do it. Woo! Okay, so round 1 is over. It's time for round 2. Ha! If you can get this, you'll earn 15 ghost points, and your name will go on the board next year. Ha! You can do it. Use your letters. You got this. Fine, I'll help you. Here we go. Ugh. So G is right here. A. B. C. What is it? That's D. Outstanding. All right, kids. Thanks for joining us on Music Theory Lesson 2. Next week, we'll be diving into some rhythms and note values. So, bye, kids.